Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can join this Kung Fu fighting trends on TikTok or Instagram. So for this, let's go to Google. Okay guys, so upon Safari or Chrome, whatever browser you have, then let's go to Google and search for Hailu AI. Okay, the first link, hailuai.video. This is the website. Click there. Okay, now you need to sign in. I have already account here, so I logged in, as you can see. If you don't have account, you just have to log in with your Google account, and that's all. Once you are signed in, what you have to do, just tap on create, the plus button on the bottom of the screen. Okay, here make sure 12B is selected, then upload a picture from your camera roll. Make sure the picture is showing full body. Okay, this is okay, but this is vertical. This is also vertical. I need something horizontal. You can take vertical also, no problem. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, wait for the picture to upload. Okay, picture is uploaded. Now time to write the prompt. So prompt will be Kung Fu prompt. So let's go with this one. Make sure the autocorrect will make it King Kung Fu. Okay. Kung Fu Master. Remember all the Kung Fu movies. Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Hustle. Flying Kick. Kung Fu Fighting. Likewise, you can give all Kung Fu prompt. Once you are done, you have to tap on this 30 credit on the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, wait for it. Okay, one job is in queue. Okay, we can tap there to see the progress. Okay, we are on the queue. We are now generating the video. Okay, it took me 2 to 3 minutes, but we are done. Now it's 100%. Wait for it. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's see. Yes, what is this? Okay, then to save this video, you just have to tap on this save button. Okay, and tap on download. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this Kung Fu fighting trend on Instagram or TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.